Hello traders, this is Ivan speaking. Today we are reviewing and informing you about my one of few the best system strategies, and this is the both in one package Indigo Trader Expert Advisor. So this is here Expert Advisor and Indicator. So in the same chart. So this is a special package which you can get at almost 50% of price. So you get both Indigo Expert Advisor, latest version, and Indigo Trader and Indigo Indicator at the same price. But also you can buy only indicators, so then you will not have you see, we can move it, remove, so you will have only this is the indicator, and you will trade manually, or you can have it together with Expert Advisor, both like we have here, both indicator and both Expert Advisor. So it's up to you, but this is what you can get at almost, I think, 50% price, and you can see all on my web page. So I have a new web page, new designed web page, and you can see all my indicators and all my Expert Advisors, all special offers we have, and the new service we are offering, the Forex Pro signals. So you can subscribe to my signal service. You will see all what I'm offering there. So if you have some interest, click below on my web page to see the conditions, the prices, the payment methods, everything. So now we get that I would like to explain how it works. This is so Indigo system. This is only indicator here, but you can have both. See here on M1, we have both indicator and the Expert Advisor. How it works? The system is famous two arrow system with confirmation. If you have Expert Advisor, you will see all these free confirmation which you must have. So when you get yellow arrow, this is Z Turbo, you will get here buy. When it is confirmed with Neuro Turbo future prediction, which predicts the future price 15 candles in future, you also have this buy. And then what you need, Indigo indicator. Here you can see none, so there is no arrow, and without this arrow we do not buy, we do not enter the trade. So we need this free to enter the trade. If you have only indicator, you will have to wait, watch your chart, and when you have all free, you see here without, so here you will be waiting for, let's see, the trend arrow. This is Z Turbo trend arrow, but you do not trade yellow. Do not trade yellow. They are only determining, showing the trend direction. You need to get pink arrow. This is the trigger arrow. This is fully not repainted arrows, pink arrows, and you must have it confirmed. You see, when you get arrow, you must have it confirmed. 15 candles in future, it shows what? Uptrend, and it must be over the blue line. Then you enter the trade. If you have Expert Advisor will do it automatically. You can open 20 pairs here, set it up and forget. Go to beach, to your job, and Indigo Trader will do all thing instead of you. So this is M1. We get this Z turbo indicator, but we do not buy. It is only sign that the change has been changed. So then we are waiting for a pink. Then we are waiting for this to be confirmed. Yes, in next 15 candle it goes down, it is confirmed. And here expert advisor would take a trade on the next candle, and it will keep it many possibilities that you can set up until the next arrow here, and in that case you will have 41 pips on M1. So on N1, M5 it would be mostly scalping trades. You can even make, you see, 40 pips, 20 pips, 10 pips, depends. Or also on 5 minute, also not bad. Let's see here, if you entered here, you could make 80 pips even, and so on, so on. You see, this is trade still active, and if you set up this to close the trade here, at appearing of the next arrow, then the trade is still active. Or maybe you set it up to make, I don't know, 20 pips or 10 pips. That's all about you. So it can be used on all time frames, as you can see, all pairs, stocks, cryptos, indices, anything you like. But the real Forex trading is on higher time frame. So like this one, and we have a very good example here. If you get a trade, you see we get yellow arrow here, and it informed us that the trend is or very close to be changed, and it happened here. But we do not trade. We wait for a not repainted pink arrow here. We check here, and then we enter trade. Of course, the expert advisor will make all instead of you automatically, no errors, no mistakes. So in this trade with 4-hour time frame, you could make 300 pips. So for real Forex trader, especially for the people which don't have time to watch the charts non-stop, you can use it on 4-hour or daily hour and make a few trades, maybe one trade per day, or maybe 5 trades per week. You never know about market, but you will make a lot of pips. So here you could make 600 pips, and if you trade with one lot size, that means $6,000 only with one trade. So it's up to you which system you prefer. Do you have enough time to watch your charts and make scalping on M5, M1, or you don't care, you just open your robot and let it go. So there are many possibilities. First of all, you can trade only with indicator, you can buy only indicator, you can buy only expert advisor, you can buy both for the price of one, almost 50% discount, and then decide if you trade on small time frame to make a lot of trades, but makes maybe 10-20 pips per trade, or you just trade as you see here, maybe a few trades in a week, but very lot of money earned. I will show you now how it works. What this is live, you see. I will close it. So here you can use this trend sign. So this yellow arrow shows us the trend. In that case, you can use it for many trades, not only for one. Of course, it should be confirmed always with this indicator, with this Neuroturbo future price predictor, which must go for sell down, for buy up, under the blue for sell, over the blue for buy. You see this? For buy, it must be over the blue line. So we get a trend indicator showing us the change of trend. Then you wait for a pink arrow, enter the trade and keep it until here if you want. Then nothing happened. Here you will not trade. Why? Because it is not in the direction of this trend arrow. So here we trade only sell trades. One, this is nothing. Then we get another sell pink, not repainted arrow. We make a trade because it's confirmed here. Then we get opposite arrow. This is exit for us, take profit. Then we do nothing, and then we again get sell, and we take it because we are in the trend direction. Yellow arrow showed us the trend, and we exit here with first opposite arrow, and then we going up with an opposite one. I will just quickly show because I already showed it many videos. So what you have here in Indigo Expert Advisor, using trading time, you can make it that it works only during the, I don't know, London session, New York session, all day, blah, blah, blah. This is take profit, stop loss, depends on what time frame are you. If you are on a higher time frame, like 4 hour, it would be better to put here 100 maybe, 100, it depends of you. Trailing stop, it is function that secure your profit. Learn about it in my previous videos or go to the Google. Or you do not have to use this. You just use this function, fantastic function, close at the opposite signal. So that means that it will close not when you put this, it will close when it find an opposite signal. So here the trade is going on and the trade will be closed here at the first opposite signal, whether it is yellow arrow trend or this pink, or here the latest trade, it will automatically be closed here. But you must think about it. Let's check it here now. Sorry, we put stop loss 100 here and put these functions to be open, and it will use the first available option. So if we put 100 pips, it will close here at 100 pips. If the arrow will come before, it will close before, earlier. So if you want only that it close at this, and I suggest this, you put get properties, you put stop loss 0. So not stop loss, sorry. You put take profit 0. So it will only close the trade at the first next arrow. Or maybe you can put here 200, and then what happened first? Maybe the next opposite arrow will come before 200 pips, and maybe 200 pips will come before the opposite arrow. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. Fixed lot size. So here you have a lot size 1, but sorry, Yes, it is okay. I just think something. This is how to take profit or stop loss, how to make it. Next function is two functions. You can use fixed lot size, let's say one lot size, and every trade will be one lot size. Or you put here 2% of your trading balance. Let's say you have $1,000, then it will trade 0.20 with 2% of your trading balance, and you cannot lose higher amount than 2% in one trade. We get one arrow, one trade on 1 minute. You see, buy, free buys. The trend indicator showed us buy. We had pink, and this is confirmed. Usually, I do not use 1 minute time frame. It's, in my opinion, too unstable. If I want to make scalping, I use M5, or maybe M15, or I'm using 4-hour or daily charts. But for the purpose of this video, I am using also M1 time frame, so that just you can see when and why the trade is open. So here you do not watch your chart, you do not want to be here non-stop. The Indigo trader will do it automatically. So guys, that would be all. It was already a very long video, so I will close it. For more info, go to my webpage, link is below. Use this special discount, which is on my web, 50% for the package price. Guys, have a nice weekend, have a nice day, and bye bye.